Uh, Hello, teacher. How are you? Today I am going to present my assignment. This photo was taken on one of the most special days of my life, my wedding day. I like to introduce you to some of my family members. We were there to celebrate it with me. On left side of the image, image you, you, you can see my cousin Jesus. He is standing next to his sister, my cousin Katie. Next to the tent is my friend Karina, who is also very close to my family. At the middle of the photo, you can see me and white shirt hugging my wife Mireya. She is very important to me. Uh, and that day was day of our civil wedding. I happening on February 2022, the 22, a day I will never forget. Next to us, I my cousin Maria with her husband Wilfredo. They are very supportive, and it means alone that they were there. The woman in red is my dear Aunt Zoila. She is very loving and kind, and she always her every in the family beside her. Her is the daughter Isabel. She is also my cousin, and she is standing next to the husband Paul. They are lovely couple and very fun to be with. And finally, the person who took the photo is my cousin Gustavo. He always has a big smile and is great at capturing special moments. It It was truly a beautiful day full of love and family. No? Eh, I feel very lucky to have them in my life. This day will always be in your hearts. Teacher, that's all from me. I hope you enjoy learning about my family. Thank you very much and see you soon.